Tyrell Lakeith Betts.
Deep inside, I'm hypnotized. It feels so right. I know that it's wrong and I can't lie. I said I know that it's wrong and I can't lie. I'm trying to make it to you tomorrow, but you're not mine.
So I'm at the car show, you know, in Detroit, Michigan. Hey, the cars look lit. Hey, in the future, I'm gonna be driving these cars. I'm gonna go to a car show, and I'm just gonna be like, oh yeah, I want that car. Hey, this look real nice, I'm telling you. Was this the first vlog, 2018? Oh yeah, it's time to be lit. Look at all these cars here, it's crazy. This all me in the future. Hey, telling y'all. Y'all about to see me on the road like, man. Hey, this is nice, huh? You picture me driving this? You picture me driving this? This is my style?
I just don't like 2 doors.
Oh yeah, this is a 2-door.
Okay.
I don't care if it's a 2-door, 5-door. I'll still with this. Here. Man, they got sports cars here. Oh, y'all gotta look at these cars. I'm telling you. Hey, check these out though. These exclusive.
Not a
You would feel
minivan.
comfortable driving that though?
No.
These cars are amazing. What the heck? Why they got that here? What the heck what they doing? Hold on, y'all need to see this. Somebody lost their car? I think this is the wrong show. I don't know why this is here. They just got done, they just got back from a war or something? The heck? Something like this.
She has a white BMW.
I get a little soft spot.
That's a bright blue.
You like this type of blue?
Really pretty red flag. Those things are fat tires too.
That's
A car that you would drive.
Yeah, I would drive that, but I don't like that color.
Yeah, the color ugly.
Yeah.
Was that like a gold, light gold?
This one's nice. $640i X-Drive. We gotta get in more cars, I guess, because so many people.
No, it's
Now your phone tracks how many steps you do. I'm gonna get like way over the line.
all right. It's gonna be at 100,000 by the end of the day. Look at that car, ugly over there. Nice.
So the words, the letters.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that gray one.
Oh yeah, that look nice. Ooh.
I know there's so many. My dad. How?
Look at that car over there. That's oh, we gotta go over there. Hey, this look nice. Too bad you can't get in it. I know, like what the God bless America. Hey, these, bro. I'm lost for words. Man, where my girlfriend when she done left me? Where'd she go? Gosh darn it, I lost her again. Hey, don't mind the light. I'm light skinned, so it's making the light look extra light, extra lit up. That's why they call me light bright. Man, y'all help me find my girlfriend. Where she at, man? Gosh darn it. Oh my God, I'm scared. I don't know where she went. Hey, so y'all drive this car when you trying to block the sun from one direction. Doing pretty good. Better than amazing. Wait, what? I didn't know that was coming out.
What?
I didn't even see the first Ant-Man, and it was good.
Good.
Oh, that look nice.
My dad was like, I'm at the Ford section. I'm like, the Ford.
Oh, you trying to find a Lamborghini? Look at that. Let's go over there.
That line for that is so long. Why did they make
Oh, I don't know. No, Don't tell her how much this cost.
That red one's spinning. You just know.
What are they doing? Why stand? They really got a second floor. My kids into the car. Yeah, I got a couple kitties. Take my kids. They get
Oh, you might see the new Malibu.
So that's the end of today's vlog. I want to thank all my supporters that have been following me, you know, ever since I just started creating videos, ever since I was in college. You know, it's been a long journey, probably 3 years strong on YouTube, vlog channel, Director Betts, and my regular skit channel under Tyra L. Betts. So I want to thank y'all for supporting me, and I'll see y'all next time.